Hi, I'm Matt from Thomas Jacks. I'm here to introduce an update of firmware for the Pixfra Arc A613. We have sold lots of these into the market over the last year, primarily for ecological surveys. So for those of you doing any kind of bat surveys or anything like that, this is going to be really important for you. The latest firmware allows for the time date stamp to stay on the device whilst recording. You will also see it on the monitor if you're hooking it up to a screen, and it will also be available post-processing as well on the actual recording itself. This is obviously really important for when you're doing anything that requires an evidence of time date stamp for anything emerging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick little talk through of how you do it. So first of all, what you want to do is you want to get onto your computer. You want to go to the pixfraoutdoor.co.uk website, which will hopefully be in this video somewhere below. What you then do is go to the product that you're looking at. So this is a Pixfra A613. Scroll down under downloads. You will then see a Pixfra firmware update v2.630.999.2005. What you want to do, click on that Pixfra firmware. What that will do is download it onto your computer. Plug your device in, turn it on. It'll then appear, the device will then appear on the left hand side of your screen as a USB drive. What you want to do is you want to drag the Pixfra firmware from your computer onto the USB drive, which is the device itself. It will then appear in there. Turn the device off and back on again. It will then come up with, do you want to upgrade? Yes, you do. Press yes. Once it's then been done and it's processed, you want to turn the device back on and off again twice, just to confirm that that firmware has taken onto the device. This will obviously keep the time date stamp on. If you do have any issues whatsoever, please just get in touch at info@pixfraout.co.uk or give us a call on 01789 264 100 and be able to talk it through with you. Thank you.